Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am just going to be doing a get ready with me for school, and yeah, let's just get right into the video because it's about to be so late. I woke up so late. So yeah, let's just get on to the video and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so I just want to let you guys know real quick, if you guys can't hear me, it's because my siblings are sleeping and it's early. It's like 6:10 I think. So yeah. Oh no, I already messed up my eyebrow. It's so early. I'm not used to this. I'm just getting ready for school because it's like picture day or whatever. And it's my senior year, so I'm like, you know what? I kind of have to. But I think I would just do like a simple look. So yeah. I'm gonna just go in with my concealer just a little bit. I'm gonna just grab like this much. And I'm gonna just clean up my eyebrows. So now I'm gonna just go in with my MAC foundation. So it's like super late. It's about to be 7 and I gotta finish like around 7. I gotta finish like around 7:30, but now it's like 7 and I'm like, are you kidding me? Dude, I just finished my eyebrows. Like I had to redo them. I don't even know how my eyebrows, my freaking eyebrows, they're not cooperating, and it's already 7:10. I'm like, you know what, who cares? So I am in the first whole week of my school year, well, senior year, and I had my first test yesterday, and yesterday was Thursday and today's Friday. But I like had my first test yesterday and in algebra 2, and I'm like, I'm scared. Like that class is right now it's like alright, but I don't know how I did on this test because I was literally the last one to finish. Dude, I just hope I pass because this test at least, and the rest of the tests that's coming up, I hope I pass because honestly I just need to pass. Okay, so for the eyelashes, I'm gonna do it later, like in a couple of minutes. But I just gotta get dressed and wake up my siblings. Okay, so now I'm gonna just wear my eyelashes. I already got dressed, so I'm gonna just wear my eyelashes, and they are from Luxury Lashes, these ones, and they are these ones I'm gonna be wearing. Bad Bunnies, aka Conejos Malos. So I'm gonna just be applying them and wearing them because these are the lashes I'm gonna wear today. So yeah. And also I'm gonna just do like this one life hack that I saw on Instagram, and I'm gonna just be like putting eyelash glue right here. Just do that to the other light, and I'm gonna just let it like dry, and then I'm gonna apply my lash. And just letting you guys know, I've been doing this thing for a long time now. Like, not a long time, but like it's been like a couple of weeks. Like whenever I wear makeup, I do this because like the lashes stick on there like for a long time, and it just sticks for a long time, and that's what every girl wants, a lash to stick for a long time. So yeah, if y'all want your lashes to stick for a long time, just do this one hack. So yeah, but if it doesn't work on you, like just do whatever you want to do. But I think this is like a good life hack for people that are like beginners, and the ones that are just too lazy to just like wait and then like apply. If it doesn't come out right, you gotta apply it again and stuff like that. So yeah, this is just a little life hack. It works good on me, but I don't know if it's gonna work good on you guys. So now I'm gonna just apply my lash. So this is the final look. Don't mind the glue. But this is the final look. I'm gonna just try to vlog. I can't promise you guys anything because my school is kind of crazy. But I'm gonna try to vlog a little bit, I guess you could say. I don't know if it's gonna be a success, but anyways, if I don't, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like and subscribe, comment down below what you guys want to watch next, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.